In toothpaste form, powder, cream, at teeth strips. Sa unang gamit pa lang daw ng mga ito, puputi na ang mga ngiti natin. Iyan ang claim ng pagkarami-raming teeth whitening products na makikita online. May kasama pang litrato ng before at after ng endorsers. Para malaman kung gaano yan katotoo, atin itong sinubukan.
So ito yung ngipin natin ngayon. Yan siya. Natural na natural lang. Titignan natin kung may difference ito pagkatapos natin gamitin itong toothpaste. So nasa 40 pesos to 50 pesos ito online. So natapos na natin itry itong toothpaste sa kapag mumog na tayo and parang same pa rin naman siya doon sa natural na kulay ng ngipin natin.
Ayon sa nakausap nating dentista, huwag panghinaan ng loob kung hindi pearly white teeth ang meron ka. Normal lang daw yan.
The natural healthy color of a teeth is yellowish gray. But a lot of people, of course, if they are not a dentist, they don't know about what is the yellowish gray. It doesn't mean that if your teeth is yellow, hindi siya matibay. Actually, yun ang matibay ng ngipin. Okay. And when you get older, of course, the teeth changes color, it becomes gray. No? So, as long as you're still young, you will have that a little bit yellowish teeth. Not really yellow, but not really white din.
Kaya paalala nila, maghinay sa pagpapaniwala sa mga nakikitang too good to be true advertisement na isang gamit lang ng produkto ay mapapabilis ng mapaputi ang inyong ngipin.
That's too aggressive if it is true because for sure it has an acid. And the acid per se is very, very harmful for the teeth.
Kaya mas mabuti pa rin kumonsulta sa mga profesional na dentista. Sila rin kasi ang magsasabi kung kakayanin pang paputiin ang inyong ngipin.
The whitening toothpaste is a maintenance toothpaste. It really doesn't whiten the teeth. You have to undergo whitening chairside by the dentist before you use the whitening toothpaste to maintain that white that they call. But you really have to go to the dentist for the retouch.
Kung hindi naman, pero gustong maging aesthetically pleasing ang smile, may mga dental procedures na safe at marerekomenda. Tulad ng paglilinis, prosthesis, veneers, o sinasabi nilang bleaching kung saan posible ang makuha ang dream smile nang hindi nalalagay sa delikado ang safety ng pasyente.
Be very careful in choosing to be beautiful. Be safe first. Consult the professional before you do anything, even if it is not on your teeth, especially on your face.
Brush ka lagi ng ngipin para maalagaan ang iyong ngipin. Hindi lahat ng shortcut ay maganda. Mahalin ang pagiging natural o kaya naman ay humanap ng advice mula sa mga profesional. Mobile journalist Mary Mon Reyes po, hatid ang muka ng balita.